Here is why I think you should start a YouTube channel. You see, most times when people hear about YouTube, there is this misconception, although not absolutely wrong, but do you know, on average, over 3.7 million searches are performed on YouTube every minute. That's over 22 million searches every hour. Do the maths. The number of opportunities on YouTube are just limitless. YouTube is a search engine ranking only second to Google based on global usage. And it's different from other social media. It's different from other platforms. You don't have to be a celebrity, you don't have to be funny. You just have to teach us what you know on YouTube. That's just it. I feel like YouTube is a platform. It's more like a school to me. That's how I explain it. Because it's somewhere where you passed the knowledge. That's the most videos that end up doing well on YouTube mostly are videos about people passing their knowledge of things they already know to people who wants to sharing your experience, telling us what you know, teaching, and then also entertainment. YouTube is so big. Imagine making money while talking about something you absolutely love. I know that this might sound too good to be true, but it is. And I know most of you have heard about the YouTube monetization stuff. YouTube money, oil money. Yeah, but it's beyond that. Let's think outside the box. Let's say you as a business person, if you bring your business on YouTube here, I am sure that your business will expand. The reach on the average will expand. You get more audience to know about your business, and you as a brand, you also get more partnerships and collaborations. Let's think outside the box. YouTube is turning people into stars every day. And guess what? It could be you. Whether you are passionate about tech, movies, cooking, funny videos, there is an audience out there waiting to hear from you. And you might say that a particular niche is saturated. Come on, you have your personality. You are different from everybody else. And you say that difference is what makes you you. Let's say Emeka makes a video talking about how to make money online, and you also make money you also make a video talking about how to make money online. There are people who resonate with Emeka, and there are people who resonate with you. You are different. You are you. I am me. Emeka is he. The difference is so much. So don't let, because a particular person or a particular group of people has made video about a particular topic, so stops you from making. No. There are people who resonate best with you. Your personality, it what makes you different. Now, here is the craziest thing about YouTube. You don't need all the heavy budget, fancy cameras, or even tons of experience. All you need is your smartphone, a little creativity, and then the willingness to start, which is the most important. You have to be willing, like you have to be willing to start, because if you can't start, and let me tell you something, the best time to start is now. Now that I've said something about it, I remember something. You see, I had a friend, I once told him about I wanted to start a YouTube channel. We both discussed it. He was also interested, and guess what? He started. That was, I think, 2 years ago. He has 5k subscribers right now, and his channel is also monetized. And I am just starting. Why? Because back then when we wanted to start, my laziest excuse was because of camera. My camera wasn't bright. I didn't have a good smartphone, so I wouldn't start. He started and he was doing screen records, like showing people how to use Android app, which I also do sometimes on this channel. But we discussed this idea on the same day, but he started and I didn't. Why? Because I was giving excuses, just like you. I was giving excuses. Start, and the best time to start is now. Just start with whatever you have. Okay? And here is my number one advice to you. Try things out. You see, I'm 22 years old right now, and I feel like I am in a phase of my life where I have to try a lot of things. I think I am in a phase called trial and error. Yeah, I have to try a lot of things to figure out what resonates with me and my personality. And if I do, I can then decide to stick to that which resonates with me. And in this phase of my life, I have tried so many things. I'm still trying. And I want to tell you something. There is no harm in trial. Try things out. I just told you about YouTube right now. Try it out. Give it a try. And if you feel like it resonates with your personality, stick to it. I think my next video will be about misconceptions about YouTube, so that your mind will be prepared while starting a YouTube channel, so that you won't feel worried about anything. The consistency of YouTube is once in a week. Just post once every week, which I'm sure you can do while still keeping maintaining your 9 to 5 job. And finally, if this video was helpful to you in any way, please subscribe and hit the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Shout out to you all.